So, as you see here, my title is When is the best time to send astronauts on Mars? So today we are going to speak about astronauts, we are going to speak about Mars, space. So who wants to be involved with space in future? Who wants to work in space? Raise your hand. We have teachers, very excited. And then, okay, a few of you. Well, I will ask you again these questions at the end, and let's see if I manage to convince you to start working on my field, which is the best one. Just to make it clear. So before I start, let's do, are you all from Hawaii here? Yes. Where do you think I'm from? Guess. Russia. Moscow. Yes, I'm from Moscow. I'm very tall, blue eyes, blonde. Okay, we have Moscow. What else? France? Mais oui. Bonjour. No, France. Another place?
Just guess.
Just guess. Try. Maui. California? Oh, thank you. This means I have a good accent. I'm proud of myself and my English. Thank you. Other places? Italy. Oh my God, you're smart. Yes, I'm from Italy indeed. I'm from Italy. So, yeah, it's where I'm from Florence. Have you ever been to Italy? Somebody, yes, from the back. Oh, fantastic. Well, you should all go. So by the end of this journey, again, I will help you to know more about Mars, but also I will convince you to go to Italy. What do you like? What do you like about Italy? There are a few things that everybody likes. Come on.
Pizza.
Pizza, yes, pizza, Italian pizza. What about gelato?
Oh.
Gelato, oh, yes, you said that, you named it, exactly. So there are good things in Italy, and pasta, spaghetti. Who doesn't like pasta? Okay, anyway, now I become too much sentimental. I want to go back to my mama. Okay, let's start with these things. So you can stop me whenever you want or whenever you have questions. Otherwise, we will get till the break, and then you'll ask me questions. Okay. So the human desire for explorations that leads to discovery, right? Do you have some names of explorer in mind? Yes.
Dora.
Okay, well, since you are too young, I will help you out. It's not that I'm from this period, but Christopher Columbus, come on, he was Italian too. So first of all, that's the reason why I really like this guy, an Italian explorer, but also because he arrived to America, right? So what he wanted to do in the reality, he was here, Italy is here, okay, I will use this. Italy is here, he was here, and they wanted to go to India, right? Because in India there were a lot of precious things, silk, spice, lots of things. So at that time they were going through lands. But this crazy Italian guy said, why don't we go by the ocean? And we just get here from the ocean. Clearly, they didn't have a clue about the dimensions of the Earth, right? At that time, they were thinking nobody ever moved above certain limits. So they didn't have map, they didn't have GPS, nor of these things that we have right now. So it was pretty crazy idea. And indeed, many people, they said no to him. They just rejected this idea. Portugal, Italy, England, many people, they thought that it was crazy. But then we had a queen in Spain, the Isabella d'Aragona, that she gave him 3 boats, plenty of food, water, whatever he needed, and he said, okay, let's try to do it. And so he left from here, and in his journey, he arrived to America. So thanks to Cristoforo Colombo, America was discovered, you know. But then we have also other explorers. Also Hawaii was unknown, right? Was unknown. If the Polynesians, they were very skilled mariners, and they wanted to explore new territory, and indeed they found this amazing land, which is Hawaii. So if you want to think about it, also for them it was something impossible. And most of the people were telling them that they were crazy. That is what we say today to our astronauts when they want to go to Mars. That's crazy. Why do you want to do that, right? And it was the same question that they were asking to these explorers. So essentially, astronauts are true explorers and are current explorers. So nowadays, we do not have any more Christopher Columbus or Polynesians. We have astronauts because our Earth, we know it about it, and we want to discover new lands and new places.